Hey, I'm Ron from Coleno, your go-to platform for accounts receivable integrated with NetSuite. It's an official suite app that you can install and immediately work with. Today, I will guide you through the process of handling customer credit memos in NetSuite. A credit memo reduces the amount a customer owes you. This is often used when a customer returns part of their order. When the credit memo is created, it either reverses a charge on an open invoice or can be applied to future invoices if the original payment has been made. Before I go into it, there are two types of credit memos. The first is the credit memo from a return authorization. This type of credit memo does not affect your inventory. Second, standalone credit memo. This directly affects your inventory by adjusting stock quantities. The way to enable credit memos, your NetSuite admin needs to go into Setup, Company, Enable Features. And here in the Accounting tab, you will see AR. So make sure to have AR and then you save it. In order to create a credit memo, you go to Transactions, Customer, Issue Credit Memo. You then enter all the required details, including the items or other adjustments that may be needed. After you apply the credit memo in this tab, Apply, you can track how it has been applied by reviewing either the credit memo itself or through the associated customer payment record. This helps in maintaining a clear financial record of customer credits. So if I go, for example, in the list of credit memos, and I will view this one, and while I do, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials. And you can see here I have apply, and you can see the invoice it has been applied to. Important, if you notice any discrepancies between items costing and the linked sales transactions, it is recommended to contact customer support for assistance. So in summary, credit memos are a vital tool in managing customer returns and financial adjustments, and they help maintain accuracy in your accounts receivable and inventory records. Don't forget to check the comments for the NetSuite newsletters, and see you in the next one.